Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Donut. Today I'm going to be telling you how to insert an image into your Google slide presentation. And the image you're going to insert will be one that is okay to use. The photographer, the artist has said that is okay. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, once you open a slide presentation, one way you can find an image is going to the Explore section. And if you click on that square down there, you can go ahead and type what you're wanting to look for. I'm going to type in Machu Picchu because I will be traveling there. Once I get there, I see that websites are brought up. In addition to, I could click on images, and then my drive, if I had anything about Machu Picchu from my drive, would come up as well. I'll click on images right now. I'll find the image that I want, and I'll double click on that. And if I decide that I want to use that, I can, and I'll go ahead and insert. And when that comes up, I'm going to use this image, but I need to put it in correctly. Now, anything that you find in the Explore tab in the image section is going to be okay to use. It's been labeled for reuse. So now what we need to do is we need to resize our picture. We're going to grab a corner and make sure we get a double arrow, and we're going to drag diagonally so that the picture resizes proportionately, so you don't have it either too tall or too wide. And next we're going to go grab a text box up at the top, that box with the T, and we're going to click on that. And then we're going to drag and draw our text box. Just kind of put that up close by the picture. Once I do that, I want to put a label on the picture, so it's going to be a description. So I'm clicking on the picture, and I see that it is called Machu Picchu Early Morning is what it is actually. Now I'm not able to get to this website from that link, and that's okay. We do have the source where it came from, and it's a JPEG of that picture. So it says Machu Picchu Early Morning. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the description of this Machu Picchu Early Morning. Then in parentheses, I'm going to put where I got it from. And it came from Wikimedia. So if I kind of hover over that picture and click, you see that it came from Wikimedia. And so I would just put Wikimedia in the text box. So now this is how I would cite a picture in my slide presentation. Now in your works cited, you could possibly put a URL, or you would do a correct full citation, and that's going to be up to your teacher and what your teacher decides he or she wants you to do. Another way to find pictures, if you would rather go to just Google, you could Google Images. Once you get to Google Images, you type in what you would like to look for. And then you're going to go to Tools, and then over to Usage Rights, and then labeled for reuse. And then you get those same pictures that you saw in the Explore section of the slideshow right here. All right, have a good day.